So let us see one more problem on finding Fourier transform. Obtain the Fourier transform of x of t is equal to e power at into u of minus t. Plot its magnitude and phase spectrum. So very simple problem. Okay. So what is given? So given x of t is equal to e power at into u of minus t. So as you know that u of minus t is a time reversed sequence, time reversed step in fact. So this is, so how to plot x of t? X of t at t is equal to 0 at the amplitude of e power at is 1, at minus infinity the amplitude reduces to 0. So this is the plot of, because of u of minus t we have to draw the waveform only on the left side. So therefore let us find the Fourier transform. What is the very simple formula? Fourier transform integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus j omega t dt. So just because of this transformation omega here, the entire answer will come in terms of omega. Remember that due to this transformation, so the entire function is coming in omega. That's why it is called as x of omega. The Fourier transform just converts a time domain variable into frequency domain variable omega. So first let us substitute x of t. So integral minus infinity to infinity. What is x of t? E power at into u of minus t into e power minus j omega t dt. So because of u of minus t, what limits we have to take? We have to take minus infinity to 0. So in this interval u of minus t is 1. So therefore e power, if you e power at e power minus j omega t is written as a minus j omega into t dt. So what is the integration answer for this? So 1 by a minus j omega into e power a minus j omega t, substitute the limits minus infinity to 0. So if you substitute 0 here, e power 0 1, e power minus infinity 0, so it will come out as 1 by a minus j omega. So this is your Fourier transform. Fourier transform. So let us plot the magnitude and phase spectrum. Very simple, as we have seen in the previous problem. Magnitude. What is the magnitude of x of omega? The magnitude of x of omega is equal to 1 by square root of a square plus omega square. Similar to previous one, omega is equal to 0. If you substitute omega is equal to 0, what is the magnitude of x of omega? 1 by a. If you substitute minus infinity whole square, infinity square infinity, 1 by infinity, the answer will become 0. Similarly, if you substitute infinity also, the answer will come out as 0. Now, so very simple, just to plot this spectrum. What is this axis? Magnitude of Fourier transform x of omega. So this one is the continuous spectrum omega. So 0. At 0, what is the amplitude? 1 by a. 1 by a. The spectrum amplitude decreases on both sides. Both sides. When it reaches to plus infinity, the amplitude will become 0. At minus infinity also, amplitude will become 0. This spectrum is having even symmetry, as I explained in previous problem. So always the magnitude spectrum has even symmetry. So coming to phase, so you can check that the angle of x of omega. What is the angle of x of omega? Tan inverse of omega by a. So omega 0, angle of x of omega. Let us see at 0, tan inverse 0, 0, angle is 0. So at infinity, the angle will be plus pi by 2. At minus infinity, the angle will be tan inverse of minus infinity minus pi by 2. So based on this, just plot the phase spectrum. So remember this, what is this axis? This axis is angle of x of omega versus omega 0. Just like in the previous class I said, just plot two lines. So at pi by 2 angle and at minus pi by 2 angle. At minus pi by 2 angle. So at 0 the angle is 0. At infinity the angle will reach to plus pi by 2. At minus infinity, the angle is minus pi by 2. So therefore, the phase spectrum starts at minus pi by 2. and by the time t is equal to infinity, omega is equal to infinity, the spectrum reaches to an angle of plus pi by 2. You can see also in this case, the phase spectrum always has odd symmetry. If you take any problem, if you find out Fourier transform, the phase spectrum always will have odd symmetry, and the magnitude spectrum is going to have always even symmetry. So this is a very simple problem which you can solve very easily. Thank you.